Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, December 17th. And out there this morning, definitely watch out for black ice. We had a lot of fog around the Breckenridge area yesterday, and at about 1 o'clock, you can see the difference between Brown City, who had some sunshine, and we were socked in with the clouds. And a lot of that last night, along with frost, froze up, and the roads are pretty icy. 46 when you go to stop, be careful. I actually learned that this morning. But not a big deal, but certainly do watch out for patches of very slippery conditions. And if we look at the headlines, looks like we'll see early week sunshine and temperatures a little bit above normal in the mid-30s to the low 40s. And then we see a more active pattern beginning to set in here for the second half of the week that could bring us some rain and snow. We're going to have a storm system move out of Texas and head towards the Ohio Valley. Right now, just not a lot of cold air with that system, so we expect mainly a rain event. But as you get up into the Saginaw Valley, you may see some of that in the form of some slushy accumulations as we get into Thursday night and Friday. But again, plenty of time to track this. If the temperature profile were to cool a little bit more, we may be looking at more in the way of snowfall. Right now, the best bet, though, it'll be mainly a rain event with not a lot of moisture, but something we're going to have to keep an eye on. If the strong were to get stronger and colder, it can certainly bring some white stuff to the area. Our normal high is 32, the normal low is 18. And if we look at yesterday, we had a high of 35 and a low of 30, and that was well above normal. We're running 2.6 degrees so far for the month of December above normal, so definitely a warm month so far. That follows on the heels of a very cold and snowy November. And we think things are going to flip. I think as we get into January, I think we're going to be colder than normal for January and February to give us an overall near to below normal winter. As far as the 3 months of December, January, and February go, you can see our 11.3 inches so far for the season snowfall wise, and that's kind of held steady there for now for the last 10 days. Sunrise this morning at 8:05. It'll set tonight at 5:03. Temperatures out there this morning are mainly in the upper 20s to low 30s. And if we look at the satellite view this morning, you can see as these clouds, enhanced clouds, move into the lower peninsula, they fall apart. We got plenty of dry air, and that cold front actually is moving through right now, and that'll leave us with high pressure and partly sunny skies today. Lots of sunshine expected tomorrow, and you can see nothing on radar out there this morning, and that's what we expect to be the case right on through midweek. And you can see on the weather map that cold front now moving through the area. And if we look at precipitation over the next 7 days, this will all be towards the end of the week. And we're going to want to watch for one, will this moisture increase as the storm possibly gets stronger than what the models show? And two, the heaviest precipitation is going to be off to our southeast as we expect that low to track through the Ohio Valley. And again, on the northern edge of this is where we want to watch for the potential that we could see some accumulating snow. Again, right now, we probably won't have a good handle on that for another couple, 2 or 3 days. As we get into Wednesday, we should have a better idea if or how much snow may fall on the northern side of that storm. And as far as the forecast goes this week, you can see mainly in the low to mid 30s here for today and Tuesday, and overnight lows dropping down in the 20s, and then we'll warm up into the 40s, I think, as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And again, we'll watch the temperature profiles. These temperatures could be colder, especially on Friday, and we'll watch that rain mixed with snow to see if there's more in the way of snow than rain. But right now, the best bet, again, as we see probably amounts around 2 to 4 tenths of an inch of mainly rainfall mixed with some snow at the beginning and at the end of the system that could leave a slushy accumulation up in the Saginaw Valley. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.